Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. For today's video, I will be unboxing Sac Bosphore from Louis Vuitton. So why Sac Bosphore? I am actually looking for a bag that will fit my laptop for work. My work requires me to bring laptop every time I go to office, and I also needed to bring it back home because I do some on-call works. So one day I came across one YouTube channel wherein she's reviewing this Sac Bosphore. I will try to link her down below. And for her, I think she's using it as a normal bag, but for me, I got an idea that I can use this as my laptop bag. So I went ahead and measured my laptop bag, and I am glad that it actually fits. So the hunt started, and then I found this on Trade C on a very good condition. And during that time, there was some promotion going on wherein I got to have a discount, I think, of 100 USD for purchasing an item more than 400 or 500 USD. So at the time, I thought it was perfect and the condition was pretty good. There were lots of selections at that time, and this is the one that I found in very good condition. I remember I saw one which is priced higher, but there was big watermarks on the front leather. In my opinion, this piece is the one that is in best condition, so obviously this is the one I bought. So far, I am liking what I got, although there are more watermarks in person that was not so visible on the photos, but still it's in good shape. I cannot complain. I really think that I got one of the ones in very good condition. So as you see, there are very light watermarks here on the leather, and some marks here also, but I will be trying to clean it and we'll see. I have not removed the tag yet. It does come with dust bag, which is a plus. The hardware are still gold. As you see, the zipper, it's still pretty and it zips well. Apart from the big compartment, there are two side pockets. It got no smell, and there's the date code. There is D-ring inside, and the canvas is thick. I think this is very well made. That's what I like about the old Louis Vuitton pieces. I think that it's better made. Don't quote me on that, but that's my personal observation. So here's a closer look on the bag. It does show some signs of use, but hey, this is bag made from 2005 and it's still looking this good. I cannot complain. It's still very, very clean and in very, very good condition. What I like about this bag is that it has this long shoulder strap which can be removed, so I can wear it as a shoulder bag or just handheld. I plan to use it as my work bag, so it will be carrying my laptop and my personal things in it. And if you want me to make a video about it, please let me know by commenting down below. That's it for now. I hope you liked this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some Luxe. See you again next time. Bye!